Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the book Icebreaker by Hannah Grace, and this book has literally been all over my booktube. So I wanted to read it for a very long time and I finally did, and I have some thoughts, so let's get into it. So okay, let's talk about the cover first. So the cover of this book is very cutesy, it's very fun like, and it really fools you a lot because this cover does not justify the amount of spice this book carries inside. It's like insane. But I think the cover is very cute and the colors are also very pretty. So basically, the story revolves around Anastasia, who is a figure skater, and Nathan, who is the hockey team captain. So for some reasons, they have to share the same rink. Okay, so then starts the banter, sparks, fun, and finally the romance. I think it is marketed as enemies to lover, but for me, I thought it was more like mildly annoyed to lovers. But it is cute. It is. I found it very cute. So Anastasia, our FMC, she was super obsessed with skating, and she was like very ambitious, very driven, and I like that about her. But she was sometimes, I found, was a control freak. Like she had this planner where she used to write the things that she has to do, but I guess she had her own reasons for that, so I cannot blame her. Then Nathan, on the other hand, he was the complete definition of the golden retriever boyfriend that we all want, that we all ask for. And he's super cute, super fun, very thoughtful, and he always makes sure that his girlfriend is the topmost priority. So I like that the most about him. So Aaron, he was one of the most annoying side characters I have read about, and he was like Stacy's skating partner, but he was just such a nosy person. I did not like him at all, but he was also a kid from the trauma, so I don't know. I sometimes felt bad for him, but that didn't mean that he could hurt Stacy or another people, like another characters in the book. But there was this line in the book which was something like hurt people. So that was definitely for him. Now if we talk about the hockey boys, they were complete chaos. I loved them. They were really very good and very fun, and they kind of made the book more entertaining. And then there is Lola, who is Anastasia's best friend, and she is super fun, super supportive, very energetic, and I wanted to have a little more information about her, but there was nothing much more about her in the book. So yes, but I loved her. First of all, what I love the most is the banter. It was really cute, very funny, very flirty, and I think the chemistry was really very good, very cute, and they were very in love with each other, and I love that about the book. And the sports romance, it was really, written down so very well. And the spice, this book has insane amount of spice. So if you want to read a spicy book, I think you should read it. Like from the very first page, the spice just starts like that. So some chapters I thought was dragged out a little bit, like there was no need, and they could have been more tighter. And then if we talk about your typical enemies to lovers, this is not the book for that. It is way softer. And then Aaron's character was really annoying, and it was like again him, and at the end it was kind of very, I think it was, author tried to wrap it up very quickly. So yes, some characters like you would really want to just go into the book and hug, and some characters were so annoying that you would just want to throw them across the ice. And I'm not talking about you. So I give Icebreaker a solid 4 out of 5, and for Spice I think it was 4.5 out of 5, and the side characters were really chef's kiss, and the main characters were really cute, very lovable. So it's a fun and cute book. If you are really into the sport romance, you can give it a try. And I'll meet you in another video with another book review. Till then, take care. Bye bye.